CBS 2's Ariana Piper asked Dr. Stephen Nemerson at St. Alphonsus about the lessons learned.
The vaccine and where we are in this pandemic now is a tremendous opportunity for us to regain trust in one another and to stop fighting against each other and start fighting together against the virus.
What do you wish you guys knew a year ago?
What I wish I knew at the time that this pandemic first erupted is, number one, that face masks and distancing are so incredibly effective. If we could have gotten that message out right at the beginning, maybe the tension between different people wouldn't exist. Second thing, how incredibly effective the vaccine is.
At what point during the pandemic were you most fearful?
The first was when the pandemic first began. And the reason that it was such a frightening time was we didn't know as much about the virus. And what we did know was terrifying, that hundreds of thousands of people in China were dying from this and that it was spreading like wildfire. And within a matter of weeks, it spread across the entire planet. That's something we never experienced in over 100 years. So that was very frightening. And we literally at St. Alphonsus emptied our hospitals of all the patients we possibly could to be able to prepare for what we believed was going to be a massive sickness and casualty event.
I can't even imagine the strain that this virus put on your staff.
The people I work with here, all 6,000 employees across our health system, are my heroes. They're the true heroes of this pandemic. They have worked incredibly long shifts. They've done types of work outside their usual expectations, and they continue to do that on a daily basis.
Besides available supply, what is the biggest challenge you're facing getting people vaccinated?
There's skepticism, disbelief, misinterpretation of fact that's out there. And if I can leave one very clear message, it's COVID vaccine is among the safest and most effective, no matter who the manufacturer is, that's ever been produced for vaccination against any disease, and everyone should be getting it.
Are things better today or worse today than you imagined a year ago?
Obviously they're better because, first of all, we have genuine, profound hope. The vaccine is a tool to getting through this completely. So that's one thing. Second thing is, we now know how to manage this disease when somebody gets even the worst aspects of it better than we have ever before.